Hello, in front of me I've got H10 Plus Smart TV box. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to internet. In the beginning, of course, power up your Smart TV box, and now you have to go to settings. Go to network and internet, and because it's powered by the Android, you can find this menu very easy. So now you have to go to available networks, of course, make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled, select your network, enter password, and now tap this button. As you can see, our box is now connected to Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.